Over the past few years, I've received countless questions about one common problem: reverse camera issues. In this video, I'll break down the causes and share clear solutions to help you fix them easily. Stick around till the end for practical tips. Be innovative. Stay with SetNFix. When you shift your car into reverse, you expect the rear camera to give you a clear view. But sometimes, instead of video, you only see the guiding lines on your screen. This usually points to one main problem. The reverse camera video cable isn't properly connected. The guidelines appear because they are generated by the system itself. But without a proper video signal from the camera, no image can display. Once the video cable is securely fixed, the rear view will come back correctly. It's a simple but common issue many drivers face with reverse cameras. Suppose you shift your gear into reverse, but nothing happens on the screen. No guidelines, no camera feed, nothing at all. In most cases, the most probable reason is that the reverse camera trigger wire is not connected properly. This wire is responsible for telling the system that your car is in reverse. It must be correctly connected to the reverse light power supply so that the camera activates the moment you engage reverse gear. Without this connection, the system won't get the signal, and your reverse camera simply won't turn on. Always check this first during installation. If you're driving your car daily, chances are you've noticed that sometimes the reverse camera video isn't clear. Instead of a sharp image, you might see a blurry or foggy view. The most common reason for this is dust, dirt, or moisture buildup on the camera lens. A quick and effective fix is to clean it properly. One simple method is to spray a little WD-40 onto a clean cloth and gently wipe the lens. This not only clears the dirt, but also adds a thin protective layer. Try it out. You'll be surprised by the difference in clarity. Once you shift your gear into reverse, you can touch on the display and open the settings menu. From there, you'll be able to adjust the reverse guidelines to match your car perfectly, making parking and reversing much easier. I've already made a separate video that explains these settings in detail, so make sure to check it out if you want step-by-step guidance. With this, I think you'll be able to solve most of the common reverse camera issues. If your issue isn't covered here, let me know in the comments. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.